Hey everybody, it's Sharon J, and I just want you guys to unbox with me my new Gucci bag. Next, you're gonna watch me struggle to take this big box out this bag because, guys, I'm not even 5 feet, so on my bed it's big. Don't judge me. So let me just let you guys know about my experience at Gucci. It was absolutely the best. We had our private room. They accommodated our children. They didn't make you feel like you didn't belong there. I mean, it was just so good. Like, it made you feel like your purchase was worth it no matter how much you spent, and you didn't feel guilty about buying it. You know what I mean? And everything is just quality made stuff. And, it was just a really great experience. And I can't wait to go back again and purchase another bag. Let me correct that. My husband buy me another bag because, girl, I ain't dropping that many coins. I'm going to let him do it. If you know, you know. And if you don't, learn so you can understand the language that I'm speaking. Huh? I'm saying I could buy the bag, but my husband bought the bag. And that is the flex. You heard? Okay. So now we're just looking at the bag, admiring the bag, opening up the bag. There you go. Taking out the paper. And it was really good the way they put the paper in to keep the shape of the bag. Unlike other places that you go and get a bag and the bag comes folded in a box. If you know, you know. That'll be in a whole other video. Stop playing with me. Okay, so we're gonna look inside the bag. Open up the zipper. There's some tags left in the bag, to let you know officially. Go to hubby like, take that out. It's official. That's real. It's not fake. Okay, babe, let's go. Here you go. Oh, bang, another one. Yep, definitely certified Gucci bag. If you know, you know. Anyway, so I'm gonna take the rest of this paper out and look how big that bag is. Look at it. You could put your keys, a big size wallet. I like big wallets. A big wallet, you can have your lotion, your perfume, your lip glosses. I would say snacks, but I don't think my husband would be happy if I have some crackers in that bag and it gets crummy. But anyway, back to the bag. So we're just looking at the bag. It's so nice. It's soft in the inside. Very quality made. Look at the straps. They have hardware so that they fold up and down nice and easy. You don't have to fold them down. They go down. Just high quality. Bye.